Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting fast. Open Garageband and create a new project using a keyboard template so the app loads the right instruments. If you're using a MIDI or smart keyboard, plug it in or pair via Bluetooth now. This lets Garageband detect input automatically. Once done, select a software instrument track to see the on-screen keyboard. Make sure audio/MIDI settings show your device. This prevents latency and routing problems before you play. Now you'll load and view the keyboard. Press Command-K on Mac or tap the keyboard icon on iPad to reveal musical typing or the full keyboard. Select an instrument patch, piano, synth, or organ, and tweak settings like velocity sensitivity, reverb, and preamp to match your playing style. These affect dynamics and tone. Check the track inspector to confirm MIDI input channel and that MIDI activity lights flash when you press keys, because that verifies the signal path is correct. Finish by arming the track and setting tempo and quantize options, then press record to capture takes. You'll want to record multiple passes to comp later. Once satisfied, save the project and export or share stems to files or cloud storage for backup. If you encounter no sound or latency, make sure your audio output device is correct, check MIDI/input cables or Bluetooth pairing, and enable low latency mode in Garageband. These steps resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.